Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use a memory card on the Samsung Galaxy A27. First, we need to insert it, so take out the SIM tray, then place the microSD card in properly. Once it's placed and won't fall out, insert the tray back into the phone. The phone should give a notification that there's an SD card, but you can also check manually by going to My Files, and you'll see the SD card there. To move something to it, hold on the file you want to move, hit the Move button below, select SD card, and click Move here. That's all for this video. If this helped, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.